let's take a look and see what's included in our January tubs. So the tubs are differentiated. The kids can choose any tub they want when they come to their tub, as long as it's in their color. They can work by themselves or they can work together. So what you'll notice with the differentiation is lots of CVC words, word work, letters and sounds. And so you'll kind of see that across the tub. So here we go. CVC word building from What Does the Fox Say? CVC word building with Arctic animals. Our new penguin sight word game. So this is where they decode the word, build the word, spell the word, write the word, read the word. Some CVC word matching. Another sight word game. This is our snowball fight sight word. Same thing, decode the word, read the word, spell the word, write the word, build the word. CVC word writing. So they'll use a dry erase marker, write the CVC word by segmenting the sounds, and then write it on the recording sheet. A CVC word building. And CVC words. All right. So this group has some sounds. So these are snowman sound puzzles. Have CVC words. Beginning sound puzzles. Yeti emoji sounds. So they just match the picture to the sound. These are smashing snowmen sounds. CVC words. Sight words. So again, read the word, decode the word, spell the word, write the word. CVC word matching with penguins. Beginning sound puzzles. Beginning sound dominoes. Beginning sound, so they match the picture to the sound, to the letter, and write. Alphabet puzzle. Snowman sound, so they have the letter and then two pictures for the sound to build a snowman. Smashing disco balls sounds. Smashing snow globe sounds. Popsicle puzzles, a class favorite. And snow globe sounds, so they match the sounds and write the letter. Dominoes, letter recognition. Smashing disco balls, letter recognition. Smashing snow globes, letter recognition. Snowman emoji, letter recognition. Spin a snowman, letter recognition. Penguin letters. Snow globe letters. And Yeti letters. So that's what's included in our January tubs for literacy. And again, you see the CVC word building, CVC word matching and sounds, letters. All of these resources can be found at tksstore.com.